We have just released our new research report that identifies how Ravenpack Analytics and Ravenpack Transcripts can enhance the risk-adjusted performance of well-established, market-neutral, long-short equity factor investing strategies. We have examined the effects of tilting magnitude, rebalancing frequency, and sentiment aggregation on performance for 3 different tilts: news, transcripts, and earnings intelligence. We have explored the transcript signal in prior research. It actually combines 3 independent signals drawing from the analysis of earnings call transcripts. Our event sentiment signal is based on key events identified throughout the conference calls. The document sentiment signal utilizes machine learning to measure the sentiment of every sentence transcribed from the call, while the transparency signal measures the number of market-moving events disclosed by the management team. We also adjust for variations in tone or disclosures for each company across transcripts, and account for the sparsity of earnings calls by smoothing the signal. Altogether, they form the transcript signal. We then looked at portfolio strategy performance for traditional factors tilted with our earnings intelligence signal, which combines the transcript signal with earnings-related news like press releases disclosed by the company, news reports, and commentary around earnings, as well as earnings estimates with an additional overlay of quarterly insider transaction signals. One of the things that we found interesting was that earnings call transcript signals generally perform better over longer time horizons, while news-based ones demonstrate stronger price impact over shorter horizons. So what did we find? For a monthly rebalancing frequency and no sentiment smoothing, our results show that tilting towards news sentiment substantially improves information ratios across all our 9 factors for very similar portfolio turnover. In particular, sentiment tilting enhances information ratios for yield from negative 0.21 to positive 0.28, and investment factors from 0.30 to 0.61, while portfolio turnover remains relatively stable. Download our white paper to review the performance of each factor, our proposed model for sentiment-tilted multi-factor strategies, and a lot more insights on sentiment performance by universe and signal type.